Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new, hi, my name is Cindy and I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. If you like organization videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you are notified as soon as I upload a new video. In today's video, we are going to tackle the kitchen cabinets and drawers, decluttering, cleaning, and organizing our kitchen essentials. I'm going to start with this cabinet on the left side of my stove where I store all of my oils, vinegars, and extra spices. As you can see, we came up with a organization method last year, and it's time to declutter and reorganize this space. Let's create a functional and aesthetically pleasing kitchen. I'll be giving away $50 as a thank you for being here to help you get started with your own home organization project. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment. The winner will be announced 1 week from today in the description box. One of the storage solutions that I have throughout my entire home are these stackable clear drawers, perfect for storing small items. I store my chicken bouillon cubes and my small seasoning packets. I have them underneath the kitchen sink and in the medicine cabinet. I will leave all the links to the products used down below in the description box. Another must-have storage solutions are turntables or Lazy Susan. These are for my oils and vinegars, and also I have another one that I'm storing all of my sprinkles. Let me know down in the comments if you prefer your spices in a cabinet or a drawer. Personally, I love to have them in a drawer. It's easy access. I can see everything I have. I don't have to stumble around pulling out from the back in a cabinet because I can't see what I have in the back. So I switched to have them in a drawer a few years back, and I think I'll never go back. And if you have the space, make sure that those spices are near your stove. As we organize and reorganize spaces in our home, sometimes what worked for us last year not necessarily is working this year. So as I'm using my small spices jars, I realized that it didn't make sense to have my cinnamon sticks because you can barely fit like 4 cinnamon sticks there. So I needed bigger container for some particular spices. I came across these 6-pack glass jars with bamboo lids on Amazon. It holds 32 ounces and are perfect for my cinnamon sticks, my chamomile, chicken seasoning, oregano, and so on. And here they are on top of the oils and vinegars. I added labels to each jar. The most effective and fastest way for those labels to be straight is by using a tape like I'm doing here. For the medicine cabinet, I wanted to move it to the other side of the kitchen to a less deeper cabinet. I'm checking expiration dates and pills that we no longer use. I have a video from our previous home with a step-by-step on how to organize medicine, and these storage solutions works like a charm for me and my family. I know, man, passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can't find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. Now for the other side of this cabinet, I'm removing these water bottles to this narrow cabinet next to the microwave and get rid of some Tupperware lids. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all. And now for this corner cabinet, I store my pressure cooker, the toaster, some mixing bowls, and I want to make space to add my KitchenAid mixer in here as well. If you have this turntable cabinet, let me know what do you store in it. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way. Next to this cabinet, I have 4 drawers. I need to declutter, clean, and organize all of these gadgets and make better use of them. The 4th drawer is deep, and I have some of my daughter's seasonal plates and bowls that could be stored somewhere else. I will be using it to store plastic Tupperware. going to move my everyday flatware to this drawer because on top of it we have our dinnerware, so it just makes sense to have the dinnerware on top and then easy access for our flatware. I finally purchased the bamboo Ziploc bags organizers, and what a game changer. Totally recommend. This cabinet is underneath the island and it's a complete disaster. I have some of our disposable cups and plates and extra parchment paper and foil paper. I just have to remove everything from here, and look, it's much better. What I'm gonna do is all of our disposable plates and stuff is going to be on this cabinet where we used to have our medicine. And now let's add some spring decor to this kitchen. I'm going to use my all-time favorite cherry blossoms. I will link it down below as well. I only used 3 stems for this vase. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. All the information will be in the description box down below. Let me know if you are buying some of the storage solutions seen today. Follow me on Instagram at Inspirationbycp for daily deals and lots of inspiration. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!